Mold yourself. Hi guys, please press the subscribe button and bell icon on the YouTube app. And never miss another update from Mold Yourself.
Hey kids, hope you doing well. And also I hope you having fun, not troubling mama and papa too much, I hope so. Why you having fun? Let's learn something new that will also impress mama and papa. We are talking about some basic do and don'ts that you are not ready to know because you are growing up so fast. So, now let's learn some grow-up things.
First, make sure you come to the table with clean hand and face. Second, put your napkin in your lap. Also make sure you sitting up straight. Then you look active and smart. Third, wait for other to start eating and then join them. It is also considered polite to wait for others to start eating. Fourth, keep elbows off the table while eating. Fifth, our one bad habit is chewing with your mouth open. Always try to keep your mouth closed while chewing. Sixth, try to don't talk while eating. Unless it is very important. Otherwise just enjoy your delicious meal. Seventh, always ask for what you need to the person sitting closest to you. You can say, "Could you please give me this thing?" Eighth, always offer to help clear the table as well.